flight success. It needs a damper. I'm trying to figure out ideas for a damper right now.
A damper?
Because it starts penduluming, but it will hold an angle, but then it starts doing that.
Oh.
So if you move back and forth too quick, you'd end up with this. It's penduluming like crazy, which I expected. It does swing free enough though, so I don't have to change the center design, but I need to figure out a way to dampen it. I need to damper it. I was thinking about rubber bands, but I don't know how that's going to work. I have to figure that out. Dang, James! He is doing really well! Those two, can you believe it? 1 year! This is hilarious! It is! I am like totally geeking out right now. What do you think you're doing, boy? I'm armed. I'll come after you. I expected it to go further. It didn't go very far. Are you gonna try to squirt me? You better not try to squirt me. I'll squirt you. I'll get you. All right. Hey, watch out. Your paddle just popped loose, baby. Look at Miss Eric. Mr. Eric would win. Watch out! Here comes a Ruby!
I like this right here.
It's like a jungle cruise.
Yeah. We're riding this one till the wheels fall off. Come on, listen.
You guys are turning around?
Live in the day at a time. Chill out, relax and whine. Even if the going's rough, just know that it'll be fine. So recline your seat and delete shit out your mind. Cause today will be tomorrow's yesterday in due time. I've been in the same predicament. Yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday I'm losing my mind. Like the world was against me, it was getting out of line. But I can't say the same about today, cause today is mine. Oh, I'm glad it's mine, and I'm glad it's time. Been too long, it's gone my way. It's about the time needed and got it the way God it would say. For peace of mind, a redesign, it all begins with a day. Delete and refresh, next step is on its way. If you let your problems run, I guarantee they will stay. So if you feel you hit the fan and life is not par with prime, get to raise your chin up, it'll be fine.
The beach, the rise, the peeps, the lives we live, we die, we love, we cry. Ups and downs are a part of the ride along. The beach, the rise, the peeps, the lives we live, we die, we love, we cry. Ups and downs are a part of the ride along. Before the good words and knowledge, before this all started, was mad at the world turned cold and broken hearted seemed serious. Young mind and truly inexperienced, played a low mysterious, a pessimistic period. You learn with age, slow down, enjoy the day. No more skipping practice, trying to jump in the game. You wanna ball out, go all out, respect with your name. I just do it cause I love it, there's no need to explain. I can't complain, you got it good.
I know a place hid away from the streets, from the cops and the heat and the fake beats, where the waves in the sand and the spray cans meet.
Breakdance Beach?
Breakdance Beach!